everyone, Nancy Wethington here with my latest Button Farm book. This one is using the new Graphic 45 Trifold Folio and their gorgeous new catch of the day. And I mean, these images just pop. I just love everything about this. Here's the closure I did. I got a little carried away, as usual, with things that I put on the inside. So in order to close the book properly, you have a stretchy band here, and I added a charm, and this is a chipboard die cut from the ephemera pack. Or from, I'm sorry, not the ephemera, the chipboard. Nice and layered. Front cover is all layered up with different things. Both from the ephemera pack and chipboard. This is chipboard. This is a Rosette we'll make. This is from the ephemera pack. And I've included some fishnet and a knob. So let's go inside. Inside, you'll find, because it is a trifold, you'll find 3 different sections. This first section, inside the front cover, is an already prepared, not with the decorative paper, but with the craft cardstock, heavy cardstock. Let me get this out of here. There we go. A side pocket. So we're going to decorate the side pocket, decorate inside the side pocket, and then we'll make this quad-sided or 4-sided page to go inside the pocket, so that'll hold more photos for you. And then the next page, let me take this out for a second. The next page is actually a large pocket. Again, already part of the folio. And what we'll do for this one is create this 3-page booklet. So it's some of the stickers and ephemera and really cool images. And then the back side is upside down for a reason, and I'll show you why in a minute, but another postcard, and let's go on an adventure. So what I've done with this, so that we get maximum coverage on the book, flip up the first page and the last page, and you'll slide this, and sorry about this being sideways, it's just the easiest way for me to do it on camera, kind of, if I get this right. Come on, fingers. There we go. Okay, so slide in the centerpiece, center paper in the pocket, and then that creates a front fold as well as a back fold on the pocket. So this is the back fold. And then the next page or part of the booklet is, pardon me, the right cover. So this folds this way, right? And then when it opens, you'll see this next. And this, I just used some of their wonderful images. There's only Graphic 45 can do. I'm telling you, they get better and better. And that is just a huge belly band, so you can just stick some photos behind there. Open this up, and the trifold becomes a 2-sided flip book with magnet already included. Hear that? And you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 sides. That's 10 pictures, and then 11. No, I'm sorry. Wait, I'm counting wrong. 2, I can count, really. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pictures, and then one on the back is 13 pictures. So you have 13 pictures here, 13 pictures here, or you can split it up and do a picture on the front and then describe the picture on the back. However you want to do it, but man, is there a lot of room in here. I've also covered the inside bindings. Fishy's upstream, so I'm going down, mainly up. And then covered the front of the closures with some decorative paper and ephemera. We'll close this up. Bring our closure around to the front. Wrap it. Whoops. And there you have it. So all kinds of layers. Flips galore. And your book is finished. This is a really quick, easy book to do. Available exclusively at the Button Farm Club. And right before I go, I just wanted to show you one more thing. I'm going to put a video on how we did this eyelet that's sort of in the middle of the page. And I've asked the owner, Laura, of Button Farm Club, if she could carry these. It's with a long reach punch from We Are Memory Keepers. I can't live without it. It's like one of my staples. And I will do a video and share the link at the bottom of this video. And you can watch that. And if you want to order it with your book, it's a great way to do a punch or an eyelet set anywhere on a page. And it's even good for you scrapbookers that do 12 by 12 pages. It'll go all the way to the center of the page. So that's it for me for the Button Farm Club. Thank you.